What if Facebook was 1 cent per click? What if Facebook was like 30 cents per 1,000 views of your ad? What if Facebook had more volume for everyone than you could ever imagine? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain to you a new method that no one talks about, that I'm like the only person that talks about and is an expert about, which is adult marketing. And it's not what you think, and it's not how you think it's done. But in this video, I'm going to share with you strategies of how to just crush it in this industry and make like millions super fast. The sites get billions of views every single day, just like YouTube and Facebook and all these big platforms. Adult is basically up there with all of them. And people taking advantage of this are making millions. I make hundreds and thousands per month just from this. Go check out other videos on my channel. I show you exactly how I'm doing this. This is life-changing stuff, guys. Adult marketing has made me hundreds and thousands of dollars so far. I'm only 21. Let's dive into the video and help you too. Did you know that you can make millions with adult traffic? I have actually made hundreds and thousands, like right here on the screen. I've made hundreds and thousands of dollars with adult. I'm going to explain to you how to do it fast. Make money extremely quickly with adult, where you can be at profitability on like day one or a few days after. Very, very fast. And adult, as we all know, it's got some of the most volume in the world. And it converts like wildfire, and you can make obscene amounts of money, so you can go spend it on whatever you want. Let's go. Okay, so if you want to buy all that fantastic traffic, then you go to Traffic Junkies, just one of the traffic sources, and it has this site that you could run on. Okay, XOClick is the next one that you can basically run traffic on, which is extremely powerful and one of the biggest. Next, you've got Traffic Factory, and Traffic Factory actually runs on some of those big sites. I know you know what I'm talking about. This site literally has so much volume, it's crazy. This next one is Aero Advertising, and Aero Advertising is also huge volume. So those are the top four right there. Then we got Juicy Ads, and Juicy Ads is literally insane once again because Juicy Ads is juicy. You literally have the juiciest network on planet right there. Okay, next is Propeller Ads. And Propeller Ads is one of the biggest platforms in the world, kind of like Facebook, but it has way more volume. It has mainstream and adult and everything. Next, you got Zero Park. It's also mainstream and adult, and this is a huge traffic source as well. Then you got Plug Rush, and they're basically adult, and they have Pop Under and all that, just like Juicy Ads. Okay, try to stay focused. But anyway, this is one of the networks where you can make tons of money on, and these are tons of offers right here. So if you look right here, these are the top offers. So if you want to promote offers and make money, this is it. Like, you can make tons of money promoting these offers, and you can also go on ClickBank, Digistore, Max Bounty, other CPA networks, and promote these offers, and you'll still make money, because with adult traffic, you can promote any offer you ever wanted to promote and your own offers, and you can make tons of money. Okay, you can go down here, you can find a bunch of offers and stuff, but I'm telling you right now, this is a great site you can go to that has just tons of offers you can promote and make them racks. You can make big money. So let's keep going through the video. But guys, I highly recommend sign up for these sites and plan your strategy. And after this video is over, plan your strategy, what you're going to promote and how you're going to make them big bucks with adult marketing. Let's go. Okay, so adult marketing is one of the easiest ways I've ever seen to make money online. It's crazy, and I'm sure you see why. And I'm going to explain to you the whole funnel strategy real quick. So let's dive into that. So you can make cha-ching, 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 consistent conversions and money for you. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see right here, this represents traffic. $1 in, and then you make $2 out, and C represents conversions. So literally, you're promoting an offer. You can direct link to it, or you can have just a simple funnel before it, and I'll show you a funnel in a minute. But simply, you buy traffic for like $1, and then you sell it basically for $2 back from getting conversions. You make $2 or more back every single time, and you go like this. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Okay? Okay, let's move on to the actual funnel real quick. Okay, right there is the funnel, and straight up, people enter the funnel, and they're having just a horrible day, just got back from their job, and maybe, for example, the guy's like drinking his drink, and he's all drunk and stuff, he's beating his kids, and then all of a sudden, he logs on, and he clicks your ad, and he goes through the survey page. He answers all his questions. They're engaging and stuff. The micro commitments are built up. And then all of a sudden, boom, he gets hit with the offer. And he's like, because I just answered all these questions that are just BS questions, he gets sent to an offer and he converts and you make money, cha-ching. And this happens with all sorts of these guys. And we'll just say that their name is Steven, okay? A bunch of Stevens, drunken Stevens, are going through your freaking funnel, and you're making money all day from them because they're converting on the offer you're promoting, and you're making money. And this is the most simple freaking funnel you could ever build. It's basically a bunch of survey questions to an offer, people convert, and you go cha-ching, and you make money 24/7. It's like this, okay? And it's coming in, and you just send traffic, okay? It's crazy. This is so powerful. Definitely implement this funnel. There's tons of other funnels I talk about on my channel and other places you can check out, but that's basically that right there. Let's keep going. So I'm sure you see the total power of adult marketing, but just to explain to you real quick, like it's not strict at all. You can run on it forever. You will never get banned. Like Facebook bans people all the time. And then there's just tons of traffic. You can scale to the freaking moon, and you can run any offers you possibly want to run. And you can just literally make cash flow money all day long. And just to mention real quick, cash flow is something in this business that's very important because you invest your money into the ads and then you make money back, but you want to keep investing that, okay? And you want to scale that up. And most people, when they first begin, the cash flow is something important. So it's based off when you get paid out and when you're investing. So let's say you get paid out a month later, you need to divide your total income, if you're profitable, and invest that much per day, and where you'll deplete your total money and then get paid on the 30th, and then you increase your daily budget after that, and the cash flow is insane. You just keep going and you make cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching all the time and get conversions all the time. It's one of the most amazing things in the world because it's so easy to do because there's no competition. And let's just keep going through the video and explain everything else. And subscribe if you're new here. Let's go. Hello, now we are on this top secret site here called Exoclick, and I don't run with Exoclick that much, but I want to show you the power of it and how to set up a campaign and how it all works. So if you really want to do this, then here's how you do it. You do select new campaign, then you name your campaign Adult Marketing 101, and then you select the category, just do adult, or you can even do all these other ones. But your ad format usually is this type of ad format here, but you can do pop under, you can do video ads, you can do all these ads. But the most common dimension is 300 by 250. So after you do that, you go ahead, you're done. You can do group if you want. You can select specific freaking categories if you want, which can be a little weird, so don't look at that. Okay, let's keep going. Next thing, add variations. Now, you're going to select a bunch of images to do, okay? But first, we want to do the freaking domain name, okay? Or, well, the link you're sending people to, which is very important. I cannot stress that enough. Okay, so pending approval, that's basically that. But at the end of the day, you go through commonly, and this is all common sense, by the way. And real quick, I'll upload a file, if I can find one. Okay, so I had to skip that part because I got approved for an ad. Did not want to show you the ad. But anyway, you select a location. You do like United States. I highly recommend do United States, wherever it may be. You just select United Kingdom, English, United Emirates, or you do United States, which would be right there. Woo! Now we add it. Boom. Now it's added. So that's your target location. And if your offer you're promoting allows allows United States traffic, then you're set. Okay, that's what you want to do. If we continue down here, you could select a bunch of different types of like device types. I recommend just leave it broad. For languages, you're going to want to usually do English. Okay, so let's type that in English. You add that. Okay, then you could keep going, but there's a bunch of options. We continue. Now your daily limit you can set, but you're definitely going to want to go with smart CPM or just cost per click, where you set your budget for the cost per click. So let's just do cost per click budget to be around 50 cents. Here's the coolest part. It's the cheapest traffic in the world. You're going to be getting like 3 cents per click, which is crazy, right? So your daily limits you can set, but your daily budget, you could do quick delivery or distributed throughout the day. I recommend throughout the day. Do like $25 a day to $50 a day is what you can do. That's your budget. Okay, then you could go total limits, all that stuff, but you're just going to keep continuing. Okay, now you can select specific zones and sites, but you can actually skip that. And how you skip that is you're probably going to have to select them in this scenario. Most times creating an ad is actually very simple and straightforward. And this is very simple and straightforward, but you just basically select zones, okay? And you bulk select, boom, just click away. You could just do this right here and select them, okay? You select zones, now you keep going. As soon as it is all approved successfully, now you just create and you're set, okay? You now have one ready. You have to add funds to the account and then you get approved and it runs, okay? And so much traffic will be sent to your funnel. And as long as you have a good offer you're promoting and a good funnel, you will make so much money. It's ridiculous. So I recommend go check out more videos on the channel. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. And peace out, Learn Machines. Have a wonderful day. Peace.